Hey YouTubers, in this video I'm going to be discussing a cable coax upgrade for my cable modem and local TV internet. Hey YouTubers, I've been away for a little bit and sorry for the delay in the videos and everything like that. It's been a while. I had some stuff happen during the COVID pandemic, and you know, family members had stuff going on, and I also had a family member have a kidney transplant that was successful, and we just had a lot of stuff going on in family, so I've been on hiatus for quite a while, and I just want to get back into making videos for you guys. So I'm coming back, and I've got about 7 or 8 videos planned here and a couple updates to a couple other ones. But if you bear that in mind, give me a little bit of time here and I'll have some more videos for you guys to watch. But right now, in this video, what I've done is I've upgraded my coax running in the house and from the street. So this is Eagle Quad Shield solid copper conductor. Coax cable, and I've updated this from what they normally just roll out on the truck and everything. This is like DirecTV approved and all kinds of other stuff, but it is like quad shield solid copper cable. It's not a copper cladded center or anything like that. And what I did was I took it and ran it all the way up like they did on their wire originally, and it's got some gaps where it's hanging, and I just zip tied it all the way out to the pole, and then I put weatherproof fittings on there, and I just ran it back down to the grounding block here, and this is 4-gauge solid copper as my grounding wire down to the ground by my meter on my house. And just for anybody who wants to know that, I also have some more of these. I bought all the wire and extra parts, fittings, everything else, except for this little booster here that's from my local internet provider, Mediacom, and everything else is provided by me except for this grounding block. They originally had that. I put the Tapcon screws in there and that, but these are PPC Belden fittings. And I got all these off of Summit Source out of Fort Wayne, Indiana, and they were really good, had a lot of stuff, and I just been going with those guys for a lot of stuff. If you guys know any other stores that have that kind of stuff, do let me know. All right, now we're in my basement where the line comes in, and so you can see this is the outside cable coming in. So this is our quad shield cable here. This is all aluminum shielded with the EMF wiring and everything in there and stuff to reduce the electromagnetic interference and fields and things coming in. Then we have an FDF connector here, and this comes into a quad shield monster. Now this is really high quality cable, and it's very hard to get the ends on it because these are just so much stuff inside of them. You've got aluminum, and copper in this one. It's very high quality cable, but it's an inside wall or inside only cable, whereas this one can be ran outside here. And lately here, we've been noticing a lot of internet problems and everything like that. And I upgraded this stuff before the winter in late 2021. And I had excellent connection and everything else, no problems. Only after the infrastructure upgrade stuff has been going on have I had internet connectivity problems with Mediacom. And we've had to use a couple of their filters that they've come out and put on and try different things. And it's just an infrastructure thing. That's best I can tell. The internet works really good. Normally with the Mediacom, we have the gigabit package right now. We're getting about 850 to 880 or almost 900 megabits down a second. And we get about 60 to 70 upload. And if you translate that out to MBs per second, you're talking about 65 to 70 download and about 8, maybe 9 upload. And that's pretty good, but I believe these cables do help. Now, somebody may think this is crazy, everything they provide off the truck is okay to use and everything like that. I really prefer super high-end cables and just really good high quality stuff. It's cheap to buy. But if you guys got any comments or questions, please put them down below and I'll answer them as best I can. There's not much else I can show you. It's just coax cable. It runs to the back of the modem or a splitter off to the TV. Also, stay tuned. I've got more videos coming. And we're also making some upgrades to the video equipment and other things this year as well. So stay tuned to that. Stay tuned for that. Excuse me. So have a good one. Don't work too hard. Take it easy.